Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We are learning JavaScript, so let's learn together. So what is mean by JavaScript? So JavaScript is a scripting or programming language that allows you to implement complex features on web pages. Every time a web page does more than just sit there and display static information for you, and displaying timely content updates, interactive maps, animated 2D 3D graphics, scrolling videos, all this can be done using JavaScript. So I can explain you well. Uh, you can see you can see this HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So here using the HTML we can create basic structure of the page of web application or web page, and using CSS we can make it looks good. So you are seeing that person with the cloths, right? After that, if you want to move that person like some actions, so if you want to make some actions, we need to use the JavaScript. That's it. So to learning JavaScript, we need a basic requirements like we want a VS Code. VS Code is nothing but Visual Studio Code. It's basically a editor, code editor. So why we use this is for the development operations and debugging, task running, version controlling. All these things can be done by using VS Code and Node.js. So Node.js is a cross-platform runtime environment for building fast and scalable server-side and networking applications. Actually, we don't need the Node.js, but if you want to run the JavaScript using terminal, you need it. Okay. And of course, you should have a basic HTML and CSS knowledge. After that, VS Code extensions. So here comes to the point. Without Node.js, how we can run the JS file? So using the live server. Live server is an extension of the code VS Code. So using this live server, we can run the JavaScript file. So if you want to run the JavaScript file using the terminal, you have to install the Node.js. That's it. And path intelligence. It is also one of the extension. So when we will use this? Okay. See, when you are developing an application or a big project, so you may have different files in your projects. So sometimes you need to call the or use the or import the file. Okay. So that time you have to know that path of that file. So using this path intelligence extension, you can easily find that path of the file to import. Okay. So these are the basic requirements. So in the coming video, I will tell you how to use this, and I will explain you everything. Thank you.